Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks work planner. And let me show you the stickers that we will be using for today. I may be using a few more than this, but these are the decorative and functional stickers from Philippine artists, and this is our one deco sticker of the week. This is the Hobonichi Weeks Mega in navy, and once again, this is my work or academic planner, and I named her Eclipse because I have three other Hobonichi Weeks planners in my collection that I'm using for 2023. So first I am lining the pages, and this is the first time that I'm using a pencil. I have seen these be used for lining by a few YouTube channels that are also planning in their Hobonichi Weeks, and I thought I'd go ahead and try it. So I have a little tracker as well as dividing the columns of the left page, and now I'm going to be putting the stickers down. That is usually what I do. I line and then put the stickers down on places that I think will not have as much writing, or I wanted to section off a little bit of the spread to highlight that particular area and then write something down there so that my when I look back I will see it right away. So in that corner I have focus, and then I'm using this sticker from 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔, and this is a computer sticker, and that's just going to be my projects, and I'll show you that later in the page anatomy. I have a very extended page anatomy, by the way, today, and I hope you like that. So here I'm using the stickers from 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔, and these are the icon stickers. It's already available at her Shopee, and I will link her shop down below. And I think she has an Etsy, and I keep saying this, that she has an Etsy. I'm not sure. I will really make sure this time. So for the bottom, I took out one of the columns, but then I am also putting it right back. I'm sectioning this off because I am not going to be using the weekend spaces or daily sections, because this is a work planner and I do not want to have work things in the weekends. And I know a few other planner people are actually doing this, like using this weekend space for something else, because this or the Hobonichi is their work planner. So I am inspired by that, and this is what it looks like. So it has 7 boxes, one of them combined, and then I forgot to put down a sticker for Friday. Actually, I haven't decided what to do on Friday, and then finally I said, okay, this is a work from home day. So the stickers, the icons, represent work from home or work from school or uni, and you can do any icons that you would like, but I like to have a little icon there so that at a glance I will be able to figure out what's happening on that day. And then I am making a little line, a tiny little line, a dash between or in the middle of each daily section for that column, and that will be a division between, or that will divide that little box into 2 different parts, and I'll talk to you more about what that will do later. But first, let's highlight the top of the page, and that is going to be my headers. And you have seen me do this many times, as well as use this highlighter many times. This is one of my favorite highlighters. I use it all the time. I have another one in purple, and I wish I had bought more. I don't know where to get that now. Next, I'm using my Pilot Prera. Such a wonderful pen. I highly recommend it. It feels like a higher end pen, but reasonably priced. It's not as affordable as the Kuno, but the difference in performance is wild. Like really good fountain pen at an affordable price. So I am continuing to write my headers down in script, just so it is different from the rest. of the information, and here in the little focus area I am writing down my targets for the week. You can make this bigger as well and make it less decorative than what I did, but that is what I like to do. And then I'm writing the headers of each on each little section of my Saturday and Sunday. And now I'm ready to write down my tasks. So this is in bullet points. That is how I like it. It's very similar to a bullet journal entry, but this is just going to be work tasks, and there are only really a few symbols or keys that I'm using. I use a dot for a task that needs to be completed, a check if it has been completed. I cross it out if I change my mind and don't want to do the task anymore. And then if it's information, I will either write a dash or an asterisk. So here I'm just marking my uni days at the top, but that's basically what I'm going to do until I work out what my schedule will be. This is the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔 pen, and then this is what I usually use if I want to do a little bit of calligraphy. That's different from what I usually do. And then I just writing down my task for this week. And this is the page complete. It's minimal, but it also has some decorative elements. So let's go into our page anatomy. First, on the left page, or rather the theme is a structured left page and a freer right page. So I'm going to talk you through each of them. For the left page, we have the daily work tasks, or work daily targets if you would like, in that area, but that is also divided into two. On the left, I have my icons or keys for quick reference. If you want to do more keys, then that's all right, followed by the tasks. We also have at the bottom a weekly overview for general events as well as appointments, should I have them work or non-work related. The weekend is also combined because I'm not expecting to have any work-related things written down in that area, so that's why there's smaller space. And then I have my schedule, so the top part is AM and then the lower part is afternoon, not really early evening. You don't want to do that. And that is my schedule. And then we have my work hours tracker, or for any time tracking that you would like to do. For now, that is what I want to see. And then I have my notes this week combined. You can write this week on the top instead of notes instead, or switch them. And then I have at the bottom my focus or goals of the week. So those are my weekly targets once again. And because I have a little duck, I will see it right away. And then I have my next week section on a vertical column. And this is very different from what I usually do, so I hope it works. And that is our spread for week 11. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it. And thank you so much for watching. Our next video will be a Hobonichi Weeks plan with me once again, and I'll see you in that video.